Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you all, brother?
Fine, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. Everyone fine?
Yes, sir.
Everybody fine? I hope that everybody is fine and I am visible also. Yes or no? Am I visible properly?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir. Only your voice is coming.
Yes. I am not visible. You cannot see the board.
No, sir. We can't see board.
But what are you saying? What are you saying?
You are
not
audible, but you are not visible.
I am audible but not visible. Now?
No, sir. Oh.
No, sir.
No. How many students are there?
5.
Five.
Five. Now visible, beta?
Yes, sir, but it's in top corner.
No, sir. I can't
Sir,
see your
it's in
board.
top corner.
What are you saying?
Sir, it's in top corner.
Top. It's in top corner. Means what you are saying? I'm not getting. What
Sir,
do you
now
mean?
not
Yes.
visible at all.
Yes.
Not visible. I'm
Yes,
not
sir,
visible.
now not visible.
Yes, sir. You
No,
are not
sir.
visible.
Okay, wait a minute. Now let me connect to this Wi-Fi. Visible and audible proper.
So still your screen is not visible.
Now board visible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, now visible.
Yes, sir,
What is
now
Yes,
visible
sir,
now?
now
Yes, sir.
visible.
Yes, sir. Now
Now
visible.
visible. I am also.
Yes, sir, but you are.
Okay.
Yes, sir, visible.
So fine.
Sir, in between your video is paused.
But your
Video
But
is
you are-
paused. Video is
not
paused,
paused,
sir.
beta. Wait. Now?
Yes, sir, now okay.
Okay, fine. Now shall we continue? Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so beta, yesterday we were into deep discussion about what? We were into deep discussion about what? What was the topic? Who can say? Who can say? What we were discussing or what we have discussed yesterday?
Role of Parliament. Role of Parliament.
Roll of parliament, but in that what did you understand? Can anyone explain me what did you understand? Who can tell me properly? You have to say what you understood by yesterday's class. Anyone? And there are very less number of students from 8th A. Why is it so? Hello?
Sir, drop message on WhatsApp, they will come.
Drop message on WhatsApp. Okay, fine. Wait a minute. Let me drop and come. Wait a minute.
Okay, sir.
I'm not visible now, no? Just wait, okay?
No, sir.
It is blur. Screen is not blur?
Yes, sir, it's blocked.
Screen is blurred, sir, yes.
It's because I am sending the message in WhatsApp. So please wait. Hello. Hello everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But I am not talking. Okay, wait a minute. Hello all. Students, please join the SS class right now. Those who don't attend, then will be putting absent. They will be putting absent. Will be considered absent. Just class right now. Those who don't attend will be considered absent. Okay, I have put the message. Did everyone get? Did everyone get the message?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Join this link. Now how many students are there? 6 only.
8.
Okay, means they are coming. Okay, now I am visible, no?
Yes, sir. But your video is paused.
आपका वीडियो ब्लर.
Now beta, screen is blur.
Your video is
Now
not
blur.
coming. No, sir.
Now blur.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, your
Not
video
blur
is
means
stuck
it is okay.
in between. Sir, in
Video is stuck
between
in
your
between.
videos.
Okay. What's the date? 23/6/2021. Clear. And what's the chapter going on? Now can you see? Okay. Let's continue. Yesterday I asked you some questions. That who can tell me who can tell me what you have learned in the last
Sir.
class and what you understood?
Yes, sir. Can I?
Sir, may I? sir, may I?
Yes, beta. Okay, Nishtha, you will say first, then later the next student. Yes.
Okay.
What you understood, you
Sir,
have to tell
we
me.
studied
What you have
that.
learned.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I learned that when the BJP, so what are the scores, what are the seats of BJP, Communist Party of India, and all national parties, and we studied the result of the 16th Lok Sabha elections, May 2014, and result of 15th Lok Sabha elections, May 2009.
Okay, that we have, that was just an example. As an example, we have taken. No, I am asking what you understood by that. उसमें क्या समझ में आया? What have you understood? That's what I am asking. And beta, we have to go little fast also. We have to complete right now geography. No, geography is not there. History 2 chapters we have to complete. No, so we don't have to just lie in this chapter only. We have
So
to
your
go little
video,
fast.
so your voice is cutting. So your voice is cutting in between.
Voice is cutting. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is it cutting now?
No, sir. Voice
sir.
is clear, sir.
Okay. So what I was saying, I was saying that we have to go on little fast. We have to go. Otherwise, we don't have to lie in the same chapter. You know, we have to go little forward. We have to complete this chapter. Then history 2 chapters are remaining. So history is little lengthy. So we have to go little more fast as much as possible. So now I am not going into asking to you that what you understood, but I hope that you understood yesterday's lecture. Yes or no? If you have doubt, you can ask me. And is there anybody who has doubt?
Yes, sir, understood.
Any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt. No doubt.
No doubt. Okay.
No,
Anybody
sir,
else?
no doubt. No doubt, sir. No doubt.
Okay. Okay. Yes. So now let's continue.
Sir?
Let's continue. Everyone.
Sir, what happens if two parties in election get same seats?
Same seats. Yeah. This
And
part
that
I have
two
already
seats
discussed.
are, and
Listen.
that two seats are highest. So what? So whom did they will choose as an minister or?
Okay, wait. This part I have already discussed. Means I discussed that what if no one gets the seats, or if someone gets the seats, okay? So how they can decide? Yes or no? No, they will elect only one party. So suppose now there is no chance that every time it will or it can become the same, because you know every party doesn't have the equal number of members. It can differ. Okay, there might be a time when both will become same. Okay, we cannot say that. There can be a time when both will become same. We will not get a tie. This is not a game that you have to decide and it will be a tie and both parties will form the government. No, this kind of thing is not allowed. If there is a tie in both of them, what they will do? They will do that election once again. They will conduct the election once again. Okay, if there is a tie, if there is a tie in both parties, okay, they don't prefer further. They won't go further. Okay, they would conduct that election again. So, but there is no chance that two parties would rule altogether. Okay, there can be only one party who would rule. Did you understand? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
what right now what I was talking about, we were talking about, yes, I showed you the table, no? So in this, now what if, now yesterday I put a point, or I just put a point in front of you that, like in those lists, okay, suppose what if one party or none of the party has got how many seats? How many minimum seats does a party need to win? Yesterday I explained.
272.
272.
200. Yes, 272. So what if none of the party gets 272 seats, if it is lower than that? So what would happen? Okay, that's what we need to know. What would happen if none of the parties get 272 or less than 272? Okay, so what would happen? At that time, what they would do is, suppose, for example, like in Bharatiya Janata Party, okay, BJP has got 182 seats, yes or no? And INC has got 182 and INC has got 114. It is already given in your textbook, I think so. But in my textbook, this is the number that it is getting. Yes, who was writing something? Unlock the session. Why unlock? Actually, I have not locked the meeting, beta. I have not locked the meeting. I have not locked the meeting. Okay. Hello. Yes, Devan has called me. No. Why should I unlock if I have not locked the meeting? Okay, there is no question for unlock. Okay, I have not locked the meeting, beta. I have not locked anyone. Okay, if you have to join, you can join easily. I have not locked your meeting. Okay, now let me continue. Okay, what if the party, none of the party gets the equal seats, or it gets the less seats than minimum, that is 272, even they don't get the 272. Okay, that means what they will do, they will try to add that seat. Yesterday I think I have explained, no, this point, I have put this point in front of you or not? Did I say this point?
Yes, sir.
That is known as what?
Yes, sir.
So what do we call that? If they add seats from different parties, suppose BJP was getting 182, okay, so what they will do, then they will add BSP, so it has got 14 seats, for example, 182 plus 14, this way they will add, so this is 6, 9, 196, still it has not reached 272, so they will try to reach, until they reach by 272 seats, what they would do, they would add more parties, the seats of the parties, like now next we can say like, what is the next party? Communist Party has got 33, 9, 12, 229. Again it has not reached. Okay, then again they will add, okay, how many seats? 114, 13, 3, 4, 343. Yesterday I explained this point, yes or no? So 343 seats. So again, now they have achieved that. They are now about 272, yes or no? So they have, so this is known as what? So this adding of certain like seats of various parties, that is known as what? Coalition party. Is it clear? What do you mean by coalition party? This is what known as alliance. One party with another party. They are doing an alliance. Why? For what purpose? For getting the seats or the voting seats. To make available the voting seats, what do they do? They make an alliance with other parties. Okay. Is it clear up till now? Yesterday I think I have explained up till this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now other times,
Yes, sir.
now listen everyone. Okay, let's continue. Now, so this way, suppose now they have won after the coalition party, is formed and they have won the vote or election. Now the next process comes. Now as the government, now it's been decided that this party will rule. Okay, this party will form the government. Means we are talking about forming the government. Yes or no? Now, yes, the government is. This is government. Government is formed. Okay. Now, among them, the Prime Minister of India is the leader ruling party. Now, what they will see? Now, they have to elect one leader for that party. Suppose for example, BJP has won. Okay. So now how do they elect a Prime Minister? Or Prime Minister is known to be as a leader of the member of Parliament. Yes or no? Now, how do they elect that? Because they will consider. I told you there are different groups which decide and they elect, no? So the groups which has the more member, I told you that this has 10, this has 7, this has 3, this has 2. Yes or no? Just an example. Can you see the board what I am writing? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Suppose for example I said that this has got 10 members. So if this party, that is B, this is suppose A, B, C and D. Okay, just for an example. Okay, this is an example. So suppose B party has got more MPs. MPs means member of Parliament. Yes or no? So B group has got more member or more MPs. So now B group, from B group, one candidate will be the leader of what? Of the Parliament. Or so that means he is going to be the Prime Minister of the country. Okay, he would be the Prime Minister of the Lok Sabha election. So in this way, in Lok Sabha elections, they select the candidate from the group which has more member or more MPs. From there, they elect the Prime Minister, or who would be the Prime Minister of this country. Then after that, the next step, okay, this is the third step. This is the third step, electing the leader of that more number of MPs, that is Prime Minister. Understood? Clear? This you might have learned in chapter 1 in civics. Okay. So more the party members or the member of Parliament, from there the Prime Minister or the leader is being elected or selected. Okay. Now after this, the next process is that okay. Now from here, who is elected? PM. Now he is going to be the member. He is going to be a member of the Parliament, the main member of the Parliament. Okay. Now after this, the next process is that the electing of Council of Ministers. What is the next process? Electing the Council of Ministers. Means, did you understand what I am saying? I am saying about, see, from the MPs who belong to her party, the Prime Minister selects ministers to work with her. Yes, the Prime Minister elects the ministers. Electing the ministers. Are you understanding what I am saying? The next process, after PM is elected, then the PM will elect the certain electing the ministers, or who? Council of Ministers. Now he will decide, he will elect like various, like it has got, Parliament has got different departments, no? Okay, according to, so this is how, so now he will form the government properly, he will run the government, PM will run the government. Are you getting me what I am saying? PM will run the government means in which way? He will select a particular minister from the MPs only, from this only. Now, just see what I am saying. I told you PM is selected from the group of people which has more MPs. Yes or no? Did you understand? Did you understand? Hello? Are you all there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So I told you that PM is elected from this. Now I told you that the next step is I told that the Council of Ministers are elected by the PM. But that also from this group only, which has more MPs, like Member of Parliament, that also is selected from this. Now from all the members, more members, which has the group which has more members, from there only the ministers are elected for different categories, for different departments. Like there are sorry, there are like different ministers, like education minister is there, then which are the other ministers? Which are the other ministers? Education minister is there, finance minister is there, then
Health and education.
what?
Defense minister. Health minister.
Yes, health minister is there, then tourism minister is there,
Finance minister. Defense
finance
minister.
defense minister is there, yes or no? So there are various departments, no, like then railway minister is there. So he will what that railway minister will do, he will look over all the railway department works is handled by him. Okay, so whatever developments they have to do, that every in the railway, that will be decided by him. The same way now finance minister what he will do, he will be noting down, or he will be seeing all the financial support or financial all the financial work is been handled by him. Now the same way electricity department is there, for that also there is one minister. Okay, so what he will do, he has to control, or he has to handle all the electricity related things, or if there any developments are needed for electricity department or not, or is there anything to improve. Okay, everything will be handled by the electricity minister. Okay, what do we call that? Hello, did you understand what I am saying? So PM, so that is what an example, that was an example. So this is how various ministers are elected one by one. So it comes from PM. PM decides that person, and from those people are selected from where? From the group which has more member of the parliament. Okay, so that is what electing the ministers is, this process. Okay, so this is how the process goes. Now oftentimes recent past has been difficult for a single political party to get majority that is required to form the government. Yes. So understood the entire, this was the entire process of Lok Sabha elections. This is how Lok Sabha elections are held. Understood now? So up till now we were seeing what? Lok Sabha elections. Clear? Clear? This
Yes,
is clear? Now next we are going to see about Rajya Sabha. Now you might be thinking that okay, Lok Sabha elections and everything means the process is like this. Now then what is the purpose of Rajya Sabha? What does it do? What does Rajya Sabha do? Yes or no? So that's what we are going to see now. Now next our topic would be of Rajya Sabha. What is done by the Rajya Sabha, or how the Rajya Sabha elections are held. It has also got almost like same process only. Some difference are there. What is the difference? The difference between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha is what? Rajya Sabha means you know what is Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha means the name itself says. Okay. Rajya means what? Rajya means
State.
Hello? Yes, state. Okay. Sabha means
Government.
council. No, Sabha means how? Government, beta. Sabha means
People's
council. So that is Rajya Sabha or state council. Okay, in English what do we call this Rajya Sabha? State of council, or it is also known as council of state. Rajya Sabha is also known as council of state. So what is the difference between this Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha? Lok Sabha means it handles for the entire nation. Are you getting me what I am saying? Lok Sabha handles for the entire nation, or this Lok Sabha house handles the entire nation, whatever right now we have seen. Okay, and Rajya Sabha, it handles the state. The state working is done under what? every records of the state, how the ministers are working, okay, which kind of ministers are there in the Rajya Sabha, all these things is recorded, means state things are recorded in Rajya Sabha. Why? Because it works for the state. Like Gujarat is there, Maharashtra is there. Every state has what is been handled from here, Rajya Sabha. Whatever instructions is been given by the Rajya Sabha, the same way every state works. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes.
So this is what you need to understand. Clear? So Rajya Sabha elections means we have not completed. I explained the meaning of Rajya Sabha. Now we are going to start. Okay. So listen. Rajya Sabha elections. No, but yes. Still, we are going to understand about Rajya Sabha. Okay, so everyone listen. Rajya Sabha functions primarily in the representative. I told you it works. So this is known to be as the representative of the state. Rajya Sabha is known to be as the representative. It represents whom, or it represents what? It represents the states. This you need to. And right now I said yes or no. It represents the state. The Rajya Sabha can also initiate legislation and bill is circulated. Now, how does it work? Here, elections are not given directly. Means vote is not been directly given in Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha also it has election is there. I am not saying that there is no elections, but here, okay, directly people do not give vote and elect the ministers. Here, people don't directly give vote and they elect the ministers. Okay, indirectly it is done. Now let's see how it goes. Let's understand that. Okay, but Rajya Sabha can also initiate legislation. Bill is required to pass through Rajya Sabha in order to become a law. So here, suppose if you want to make a law, okay, if you want to create a law, like for example, people those who are not wearing helmet, they have to what? They have to pay a fine, or they will be fined. Yes or no? They have to pay 1,000 rupees per head. Suppose this law you have to make in Rajya Sabha. So for that you need to pass a bill. Okay, in a legislative assembly. Okay, it is all decided and then you need to pass a bill. Okay, then what happens? Yeah, it therefore has an important role of reviewing and alerting and altering, if alterations are needed, the laws initiated by Lok Sabha. Okay, now whatever laws are initiated by Lok Sabha, then after a bill is prepared, okay, and that bill then can be altered if a law has to be passed. So for that law to be passed, a bill needed to be passed first. Okay, where a bill has to be passed. Bill means, I am not talking about like after hotel, after eating in the hotel then you get the bill, no. I am not talking about that bill. This is not that bill. Bill means it's a request. Okay, a bill has to be passed. Okay, for a law to be made. Okay, so that bill will be passed from Lok Sabha, because Lok Sabha is higher than this, no. So Lok Sabha, from there the bill is to be passed, and later on what Rajya Sabha can do, it can alter means, understand, if any changes has to be done in that law, that in this Rajya Sabha that is done, it can be done. Are you understanding what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now when talking about the members of the Rajya Sabha, what is the scene? Now, uska kya scene hai? What is the scene of the members of the Rajya Sabha? Yes, the members of Rajya Sabha are elected by elected members of legislative assemblies of various states. Yes, I told you that this is the representative of the states. Rajya Sabha is the representative of what? This you need to just keep in mind as it is. Just lock it up. Keep it in your mind and lock that, so that you won't forget. This works for the state. This Rajya Sabha this is the, wait a minute, I need a chalk. Is the representative, is it visible? For the,
Yes, sir.
for the state of the nation. Okay, this you have to just keep in mind as it is, don't forget. This is the representative for the states of the nation. This you need to lock it up. Now, which are members? Now the members that are working, members elected. The members elected in the Rajya Sabha. Members elected in the Rajya Sabha. Members elected in the Rajya Sabha, elected by the elected members of legislators. Now they are, okay, members elected in the Rajya Sabha are elected by the elected members of legislative assembly. This you need to by elected members means the MPs, elected members of the legislative assembly, everyone is seeing, no, on the board. This if you want to take screenshot, you can take the screenshot. Legislative assembly of various states. If you want to take screenshot, you can take, everyone. Wait a minute, let me go aside. Can you see? Can you see? Hello? Did you take the screenshot?
No, sir.
No, then take the screenshot fast. I will rub it now. I will give only 2 minutes. 2 minutes is also.
Sir, screenshot take.
Sir, taken.
Done. Taken.
Yes, sir.
Everybody, those are present.
Yes, sir, done. Taken.
Okay, this you have to write down. Okay, beta. This you have to write down. Okay, what is the time? Yeah, it is 10:40. Now we have got 10 more minutes. Within 5 minutes, we can explain little more, and then after we can go for the attendance. But before that, I need to tell you one thing. I will tell you later. Okay. Okay. This is done actually. This entire topic is done. So we have understood about how the elections are held. Now in Rajya Sabha, you need to understand, elections are not held directly. The people do not vote directly. Okay. Indirectly, people can vote. Okay. They don't, means after people's vote or after their election given by the, or vote given by the people, then they don't elect. It directly comes from what? From the Lok Sabha. I told you how they are elected. See, the members elected in the Rajya Sabha are elected by whom? Elected by the elected members. This you need to understand. They are elected by whom? Elected members. Which members? Elected members of the Legislative Assembly. Okay, Legislative Assembly is the body where the people used to gather. You might have seen, no, like gallery type. You might have seen in Legislative Assembly. It is like that. See, like this. People used to sit here, like this. You might have seen in news also. It is not legislative. And here, in between, who is sitting? Who is sitting? Do you know?
Sir, speaker.
Yes, speaker used to sit in between, and he hears there whatever they want to, whatever comments they are saying, he notices that, and this way he writes down, and later on further the bill, whatever bill has to be passed, and all those decisions is taken hereafter. Okay. Hello.
First 1 hour for question hour. Sir, first 1 hour is for a question.
First 1 hour is
Question hour.
where?
Sorry, no.
Where?
Legislative.
In legislative assembly. So people can ask questions regarding whatever problems they have. So certain decisions are made in the legislative assembly. If they are electing any members in the Rajya Sabha, that is also done here. Okay, I told you. So they are elected by whom? The elected members of the legislative assembly of various states, of different states. So those ministers from different states, they decide and then they elect the members in the Rajya Sabha. But in Lok Sabha, did you understand? In Lok Sabha how the elections are held? They are held nationwide. Okay, so there people can vote and they can elect. In Lok Sabha, people can vote and they can elect. Now one more thing, it is left for you to, I just forgot to tell you that one more thing is there. Do you remember in Lok Sabha I told you that 2 members are being nominated when after the whole, when they are elected, after the election is done. Means people do not do the election directly means indirectly when they vote. They are also having seats and all they have. There is also some amount of like that this much seats should be there. Okay, how many? Here it is 233 members. Okay, in total there are 245 members. Okay, total 245 members in the Rajya Sabha, plus 12 will be the nominees. This point was remaining for me to say. Okay, here also total there are how many members? 245. Among them 12 are nominees. I told you here. Here, like I told you an example of Sachin Tendulkar, means that who decides this nominee? Who decides this nominee? Rajya Sabha. Okay, for state it can be done, and this is not done by the people. People do not elect and directly give vote and they elect the members. No. Okay, but here the members of legislative assembly elect the members, and later, okay, they want to have 245, but among them the 12 members are considered to be nominees. Okay, and these nominees they must be the personalities, or they might have done something for the country. And this is elected by whom? Who elects this? Who elects them? Nominated by whom? No. Who elects them?
President.
Yes, President. Yes, President elects. President selects or elects from this 12. Among this 12, now it is not compulsory that means 12 members are to be elected, not like that. But at least this is a total calculation. Okay, total 245 members might be there. Now I am not saying that every time there should be 245 only. No, it can be less also. But why? Because it's not like every time they will get 12 nominees for the members. No, every time it's not available. No. So for example, only one nominee they have got out of 12. Then no problem. Okay, now it is just a calculation. It should go like this. That's it. It's just a total calculation that I have said, that it is given. Otherwise, it can be more or less. It can be more also. It can be less also. Okay, now that's up to how much nominees they appoint or they keep. Yes or no? Is it clear now? Up till this clear? So
yes,
now
sir.
this
Yes,
entire
sir.
Rajya Sabha topic and Lok Sabha topic, everything is now complete. Means the first point is over. What was our first point? The working of government. Working of parliament. First point, to select the national government. This is how the national government. This was the first point. Right now the explanation is over. Means first we understood about Lok Sabha elections, how they are held, how many members are being elected, who elects them. All these things we have learned in Lok Sabha elections as well as Rajya Sabha elections. I hope that now it is clear to you. Clear? Now from
Yes,
next
sir.
class we will see the second function of Parliament. What is that? To control, guide and inform the government. Now how the government controls, how they inform, okay, the government. Okay, means who? Parliament. How the Parliament controls, how the Parliament guides the government. This is what we are going to see from the next class. Clear everyone? Now is anybody having any doubt? Any problem?
sir.
with the chapter?
No, sir.
Everything
No, sir, no
understood?
doubt. Yes,
sir,
sir.
no doubt.
Everything? Okay, so yes, beta.
Sir, what will happen? Sir, what will happen if any president, means in India's president, will take all money of India and run away from India so far? Then what will happen of India, and any country will friendship with India?
Obviously not, beta. If anybody means okay, beta. I will clear. We can talk about this later. Right now, time is also over. No, what's the time? It's 10:45. No, we have got only 5 minutes.
Sure.
Okay, so within
Okay,
this 5
sir.
minutes, once again I am asking, anybody is having any doubt from this topic?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, very
No,
good.
sir.
I hope that I was not fast, no? Was I fast, or is there anything?
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir. No,
Everything was clear. No? Okay, so very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this way we will go and we'll go little more. Okay, thoda fast karenge because so your concentration I needed the most. Okay, so concentrate the class properly. Don't leave the class in between and don't talk the class talk in between. Okay, so that we can complete it fast and we can take up the history chapter also because we have got 2 chapters in history, so that we have to complete. Okay, so be ready and now don't leave. What is the homework? Again the same homework, you know, every time you have to do the same only. Read, complete the worksheet. Read, complete the worksheet. That's it. Clear? Done?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now be there. Let me take the screenshot. Nobody will leave the class. Wait a bit. Let me take the screenshot. Then you can leave easily. Okay, wait. I will call out the names whom I see. Okay, Arpita, then Deven, Dhanraj, Jaimin, Janvi, Hushagara, then who is this? Neha, Neha Sanghvi, Nishtha, Purva, Sarfaraj, Smith, Vanshit Doshi, Yashika. Yashika, beta, did you understand everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Yes. Don't hesitate to call me if anybody has any doubt in the evening. Still you can ask. Okay. Bye bye.
Sir,
Now you all can
excuse me,
leave.
sir. Sir. Sir, wait.
Yes.
Sir,
हाँ.
सर
हाँ?
SF एग्जाम का क्या है? इसकी बुक भी नहीं आई है.
अच्छा, that
Sir,
SOS.
SF exam. Yes, sir.
Okay, but I will talk with Vibha ma'am and I will confirm to you. Okay. You just call me in the evening and I
Okay,
will tell
sir.
you what is the scene of SOS.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Bye bye. See you. Take care.
Bye,
See you
sir.
all. Have a nice day.
Same
Have a
to you,
nice
Okay,
day.
sir. Tata, sir. Bye, sir. આવજો.
But what was that?